Hi, this is Eric from DEI. I wanted to tell you today a little bit about our custom cut interior sound and insulation kits for the GM trucks. These custom cut kits are perfect for controlling all the heat and sound in your GM truck. We have them for 67 to 72, the C10, the 73 to 87 square body, and the 88 to 98, or the OBS. These kits come with our highest quality insulation materials. The boom mat damping material is going to go down first. That's going to help control any chassis-borne vibrations that are coming through. Undercarpet Lite will go down next. This will block the unwanted heat coming through the floor and the firewall. Think of this as a high-tech replacement to your traditional jute fabric. It is also for floors, firewalls, and rear bulkhead. The Undercarpet Lite is custom cut to go into the right place. No need to make any templates. D-Mat will go on the ceilings underneath the headliners and is a very aggressive lightweight insulation. It reduces heat and cold from radiating from the roof. These are also custom cut, so no need to trim or make patterns here either. Our two-sided adhesive transfer tape replaces the need for messy sprays. It is a fiberglass reinforced double-sided tape. Instead of spraying the adhesive, you have exact control of where the adhesive goes. It is a very aggressive solution to hold materials in place. These kits are a great solution to a commonly overlooked part of any truck build, heat and sound control. These kits take the guesswork out of making any GM truck cool, quiet, and comfortable.